Did you know that a seemingly simple herb that's probably sitting in your garden has powers far beyond flavor? This tiny herb is so much more than a garnish. It's packed with vitamins and bursting with antioxidants. It's medicine hidden in plain sight. And what researchers have discovered might just convince you to stop tossing this humble herb aside and give it a permanent spot at the dinner table. So, can a cup of parsley tea a day really keep the doctor away? Let's find out as I show you how to brew the perfect cup at home. Parsley, scientifically known as Petrosylium crispum, is a green leafy herb that belongs to the Apiaceae family that also includes celery, carrots, and other aromatic herbs. Native to Central and Eastern Mediterranean regions, this green goddess has been revered for millennia. The ancient Greeks and Romans valued parsley not just for its flavor, but for its powerful healing properties. In fact, its use as a medicinal herb predates its role in cooking. It wasn't until the Middle Ages that parsley became a kitchen staple, with parsley tea and even parsley infused wine being prescribed to treat gastrointestinal and urinary problems. Modern science is now confirming what ancient healers knew for centuries. Parsley isn't just a herb, it's a scientific powerhouse. Parsley contains a wide spectrum of natural compounds with profound biological effects that allows it to quietly but effectively support every system in your body. One of the most fascinating are antimicrobial peptides, or AMPs. A 2022 genome study of parsley identified 23 genes that encode for AMPs, proteins that act as the body's first line of defense against foreign molecules. AMPs have a broad spectrum of antimicrobial activity that targets pathogens including bacteria, fungi, or viruses by disrupting their membranes. Because these peptides attack such a fundamental part of pathogens, it's extremely difficult for microbes to develop resistance to them. That's why plant AMPs, like those found in parsley, are being studied as promising natural alternatives to antibiotics, helping combat the growing resistance seen in many human infections. Parsley tea is also packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which support immune health and protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Flavonoids and parsley, in particular, have shown great promise as chemotherapeutic agents in cancer research due to their antioxidant and anti inflammatory properties, which may help destroy cancer cells and prevent their spread. Studies have shown that diets rich in flavonoids lowers the risk of colon cancer, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Parsley tea is a cost effective and delicious way to give your body its daily dose of antioxidants and vitamins, all in less than 10 minutes, using common pantry ingredients. So let's head to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make your own cup of parsley tea. You'll only need 2 tablespoons of fresh or dried parsley. I recommend using fresh instead of dried. It gives a greater flavour, aroma, and nutritional boost. But if dried parsley is all you have, it'll still work in a pinch. 2 cups of water, a sweetener to taste. I'll be using honey and a squeeze of lemon juice. Start by dicing your washed parsley and don't skip the roots. Both the leaves and roots are rich in flavour, vitamins, and minerals. Next, bring a pot of water to a gentle boil over medium heat. You'll want to use 1 cup of water for every tablespoon of parsley you plan to use. This ratio gives the perfect balance between taste and potency. When the water's ready, go ahead and add your diced parsley and let it steep for 5 minutes. This allows all those beneficial oils and antioxidants to infuse into the water. Once the 5 minutes has passed, strain your steeped tea into a cup. And for finishing touches, add a squeeze of lemon juice and a little honey if you prefer a softer flavour. And there you have it, a delicious cup of parsley tea that will provide you with all the vitamins and antioxidants that you need to keep the sickness at bay. So remember, the next time you're sprinkling parsley over a dish, you are not just adding flavour, you're adding one of nature's most therapeutic plants to your plate.